Hey, this is Akanksha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So this video is for especially for BPharm students because before 3 months I have uploaded one video on study vlog, and after that I connected with lots of BPharm students and they were requesting me to upload more such videos, and also they support or motivate me to do this video. So thank you so much for you all because the response was too good, and it feels good when you meet new people, when you connect with the new people. So yeah, I'm thankful to you all. Some of you have also DM me on Instagram. I have replied to their queries, but yes, this is a video especially for this requested video, and especially for those who have lots of queries while choosing BPharm. And yes, there are lots of questions regarding me also, what I am doing. So first of all, we'll talk about myself so you will get more clarity. So now I am in last year of B Pharmacy and from Mumbai University, and also aspirant of GPAT 2022. I'm preparing for it. Let's hope for the best. I'm trying my best to keep consistency, and also managing with the college routine is quite difficult, but yeah, we need to understand how to sync with the semester and GPAT. Like the syllabus is almost same, just you don't need to study differently for GPAT. The syllabus is almost same, so you can do it parallelly as well. From starting, you need to clear your all concepts for GPAT because the basic concepts are very important for GPAT. And this is how I started my GPAT study, and also I have joined Pharma Elite for this. I'm not promoting any classes, just these are my honest review. So yes, I'm attending their lectures as well, so it helps me a lot to like what to study and what not to study. This is the most important, you need to know that. So this is how I started my GPAT study, and you need to make short notes, flash notes, some tricks and tips. Also you have to do classifications of ecology on a different charts as well, so it helps a lot. The short notes helps us a lot because every time reading same reference books for multiple times, it's quite and that is quite hectic for us. So make notes while you are reading it for the first time. उसके बाजू में आप उसको अगर कुछ स्पेसिफिक एडवर्स इफेक्ट इंटरेक्शन है तो वो आप उधर नोट कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई सिंड्रोम रहेगा तो भी आप उधर नोट कर सकते हैं. At the end, I am also giving GPAT for the first time. I'm quite positive with my schedule. If you like it, then follow. So let's hope for the good things comes into our bucket. Let's focus for next 5 months. So some of you have lots of questions regarding pharma, and they are confused between either take BPharm or not, have any scope or not, and there were lots of questions regarding chemistry. So yes, I'll clear you all doubts. As I am a last year of B Pharmacy, so I'll share my experience of last 3 years. I hope you'll like it. So first question is, what is pharmacy? Like what we have to learn in the 4 years of course. So in simple language, I can tell you that it's a knowledge about preparing, formulation, dispensing of medicaments, that is drugs, their side effects as well, and what body does to the drug and what drug does to the body. These are the like concepts you will learn in pharmacy. And mostly asked question is pharmacy is a good career or not? Like answering to this question, I can surely say that after this COVID scenario, we'll surely say that yes, it's a good career, and I'm proud to be a part of it. Also there was one question regarding PCM and PCB. Either it can be PCM or PCB. Both students can do pharmacy easily. You need to just know basic knowledge about what anatomy, human body, and you are having maths as a subject in second year. Yes, there are government jobs as well. You can apply for the railways jobs. You can apply for the hospital pharmacy as well. So yes, there are government jobs. See, any career you choose, you have to work hard. You can't just sit and predict is it good or bad. So yes, any subject you choose, you have to work hard and do your best. So the next question was, is pharmacy hard? So the answering to this question, I can say pharmacy is not that much hard, but nothing is impossible in this world. So yes, you can do it for sure. Just you need to know as I said, basics about biology, anatomy, and also the basics of 12th chemistry as well. Unless and until you did it passionately, nothing will work for you. Like any career you choose, you have to do hard work, you have to enjoy the subject, you have to like play with the subjects, play with the field, you have to take some extra efforts to do different. Frankly speaking, when I took admission in B Pharmacy, it was not planned for me to take admission in B Pharma, but gradually when I started studying it and knowing the subjects, I literally enjoying the subjects. As I was not that curious about medicines, but when I started learning things, then I was very much curious, and I was what I can say, I was passionate about the subject, and I was curious about each and every medicine. I was always curious about the drugs, dosage forms. So that's it. I guess I have answered your all questions regarding BPharm. If you have any other questions, you can put into chat box, and also you can text me on Instagram as well. Someone asked me about reference books. So in second study vlog, I have given the reference book ka list pura, and in that I have mentioned all the reference books. So at the end, I'll recommend you 3 top channels, YouTube channels. You can refer that as well. First of all, I'm not promoting anything, just I'm saying, and I'm not promoting any classes or channel, just I'm sharing what I follow. If you like it, then follow, or otherwise no issue. So yes, first is obviously Pharma Elite. Pharma Elite has their free WhatsApp group as well, and also Instagram, and you can join with the Telegram group as well, where they post MCQs daily. 5 MCQs they post, so you can reach out to them. Second is GDC, GPAT Discussion Center. They have also WhatsApp group, free WhatsApp groups in that they share 5 MCQs daily, so it's helpful for you. And the third is Pharmacy India. It's a YouTube channel, and I follow from first year I follow them, so it helps me a lot. So I hope this video is quite helpful or informative for you all. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query, then you can ask or reach out to my Instagram as well. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.